Several years ago, I had a really great opportunity to be introduced to the work of Sharry Edwards and her modality, human bioacoustics, which deals with the voice. My husband and I visited an open house at that time for what was then called the Davis Center for Sound in Bud Lake, New Jersey, and that was through the work of Doreen Davis. I was so excited. I said, how can I work here? I'll file papers, I'll answer phones, I'll do anything. So it just felt like a whole new world had opened up for me. So I wanted to actually have an appointment with a practitioner to move through the human bioacoustic process. I found a practitioner, a local practitioner, went to her office, and the process was basically where they have you speaking into a microphone, reciting some poetry or something, and that's connected to a computer with a program that produces a graph, and the graph produces highs and lows, and those highs and lows are representative of frequency-based biomarkers, which are the subtle where you are in and out of the subtle frequencies in your body. What was fascinating to me was that I had blood work done maybe a few months before that, and quite a few of the results from my blood work matched my voice print. This really is a holographic representation of you.